Hi there folks,
Hello everyone.
this is Barry and Kim and we're with the Hoey team obviously. This is a property that we had sold before for buyers that we were helping, and this one here, it's in a cool location here in Naples. There was a house here which was considered a tear down, but they're in the process, and this is pretty neat the way they do work here in Southwest Florida for any geeky or construction guys out there. That's the molds for the seawall, and they're making the panels here on site. And this site was actually cleared off by a good friend of ours, Nevin McLaren. But have a look here and you'll see the view. We're in Connors, which is on the water obviously, north of Naples, right beside Naples Park, just on the water side of Naples Park. Yeah. So over there you can see the Ritz-Carlton in the distance, and this is the views. We're facing west here at the moment, so the sunsets are beautiful from this location. This particular property was listed by another Naples agent, and we helped the buyers, and we actually got them a deal on this for 87.5% of list price. That's right, 87.5%. So they had a discount of 12.5% from the list price through our negotiation skills. But we're going to be doing updates on this one as the home progresses. The builder who's doing the work here is a person we know who does a lot of high quality work in the Naples area, and we were able to refer him to the new owners who were using him and other people that he has recommended. So it's all part of working together as a team. We have a great team from builders, architects, everything. So designers, that's correct. So with the Hoey team, we're like your one-stop shop. So keep that in mind anyway. And we're on our off day today, so we don't have our suit and tie on us. We have a lot of talk at the moment about COVID-19 or coronavirus, whichever you want to call it, and we're actually busy with real estate, but we're doing it very sensibly and virtually. With our brokerage and with the way we have our team set up, we were already doing everything pretty much virtually. So there's nothing, we don't see anything negatively happening at the moment. We put a brand new listing on the market today. We have interest in it already. We have listed a few more properties. We have pending deals, and we have buyers wanting to see a property. And showings are happening, but they have to be done in a certain and safe way. So that's our update anyway, and we'll finish off with this view. And if this was later in the evening, you'd have a beautiful sunset from this direction. So anyway, from Barry and Kim with the Hoey team, brokered by eXp Realty. Chat later, and
Stay safe.
Stay safe, absolutely. Alrighty, bye.